local church, pero leader siya ng buong conference. Buong conference, and that's buong Quezon City, guys. Siya rin ay student currently graduating ng MedTech sa Our Lady of Fatima University. Right now, Kuya Lawrence, kamusta naman?
Mabuti naman po, Kuya Jim.
Hindi kami wala tong practice. So binigay lang namin sa kanya yung mga questions so at least may idea siya about what to share to us this morning. Um, hindi ko siguro itatanong who's with you today kasi he's with his family. Anak siya, second son ng ating Pastor Ed and Ate Noemi. Any testimony of how God worked in your life?
Siguro one testimony would be God has been so grateful in my life dahil bilang isang anak ng pastor, talagang naging exposed ako sa church all throughout my life at nakita ko kung gaano siya kabuti, how good He is sa buhay ko. Dahil kahit anong pinagadaanan namin problems, kahit yung mga recent pa ganyan, dahil sa ever faithful naming family sa Panginoon ay hindi kami nawawalan ng pag-asa at patuloy kaming nagiging mas matatag pa dahil alam namin na may Diyos na laging nakagabay sa amin. Yun lang.
Actually, that's correct. Kasi ako, I can't imagine how difficult it is na maging part ng family ng isang pastor. Given, like, tayo bilang laiko who's working hard sa mga activities, medyo maraming challenges. What more kung part ka ng family ng pastor. But their family has been an inspiration to the whole church. I am a living testimony to that. So today, from the whole day, from the whole worship experience, what did you learn?
Ayun. Today, ang ganda kasi ng sermon about how how Jesus works in our lives, kung paano siya kung ano ba yung purpose niya sa buhay natin and paano ba natin siya hinahayaan mag-work sa atin. Yun. Yung title nga Pakialamerang Diyos. Sa una, parang maiisip mo parang ano bang ibig sabihin ng pakikialam ng Panginoon? Parang positively, nangingialam siya sa buhay natin kasi gusto niya na yung will niya para sa atin ay mapabuti tayo, 'di ba? Hindi tayo ma-lost tulad ng mga na-lost na mga sheep, ganun. And ayun na to keep on trusting Him at lagi natin siyang isasama sa lahat ng natin, ng ginagawa natin. Lagi tayong mag-pray sa Kanya, lagi tayong maniwala sa gusto niyang mangyari sa atin. Yun lang.
Amen. Thank you so much. Napakagandang message para sa ating lahat. Actually, we have different interpretation about the whole worship experience, especially yung message ni Pastor. Iba-iba tayo ng paano natin yun na iintindi at tinatanggap. But I'm so happy to hear about what you shared today, Kuya Lawrence. Siguro last question for today. You've been with different churches. Your family had been were serving different churches. So what do you like? What do you like about Bagong Silang United Methodist Church?
Ayun, one thing na nagustuhan ko sa Bagong Silang is na naramdaman talaga namin yung family. Yan, kasi Bagong Silang is family. Yan, na every time na hindi lang every Sunday pero sa tagal ng stay namin dito na naramdaman namin na yung companion, yung love, yung fellowship, ganon, sa kapwa natin mga kabataan, sa mga kapwa natin, mga atit kuya, sa mga tita, tito, ganyan, na alam niyo yun, na kapag nakakasalubong mo sila, ngitian ka nila, ganyan. And yun yung maganda sa isang church na paramdam natin na welcome yung lahat. Yan. Welcome. Everybody's welcome. Yan. Kasi nga ang Bagong Silang ay open doors, open hearts, and open minds. Ayun.
Ayan, thank you so much. Alam mo, totoo yan. Here in Bagong Silang, we are family. And I'm happy na na-appreciate ninyo yung buong church, the congregation, the council, and yung family that we have here. Let's invite our viewers, sino man naabot ng live natin today, to come and visit us here sa Bagong Silang United Methodist Church. Dito lang po yan sa Phase 2 sa May Canlaon, beside Mercury Drugstore. Let's invite them.
Yan, tama. Mag-church tayo every Sunday. Ayan, open ng simbahan. Ayan, along Langit Road. Ayan, dito sa Bagong Silang Phase 2. Ayan, pwede kayo pumunta dito every Sunday, 9 a.m.
And let's wrap it up. So, yeah, katulad sinabi Kuya Lawrence, please come when you are available. Kapag dadaan kayo dito sa Bagong Silang, we're starting our worship service ng 9 a.m. Minsan, people are late. So, and Sunday school are very extensive, I can say. Kaya nag-start kami usually this past Sundays ng 9:30 a.m. But of course, again, you can be here as early as 8 a.m. Open na ang church. Magsama-sama tayo every Sunday. We're online as well, of course. So for those na hindi makapag-drop by, we're online. So please join us online on our weekly Sunday worship service. Hope to see you soon. Again, pag dumaan kayo dito, you can look for us, Kuya Jim Ray, and we have Kuya Lawrence. Again, thank you so much for joining us here in Bagong Silang United Methodist Church. Joyful and blessed. Thank you.